Determine whether the random variable is discrete or continuous. In each case, state the possible values of the random variable. So let's discuss discrete. To be discrete, it has to be the idea of countable. Right, countable. That is your natural number set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so forth, all the way up until positive infinity. Only the whole numbers, no fractions, no decimals, no in-betweens. It's either 1 or 2. Can't be 1.5, can't be 1.5. So discrete is countable or no decimals. Continuous is everything else. Continuous is everything else. Continuous could have decimals, continuous could be whole numbers, everything else. So if it's not discrete, it's continuous. Super simple. The time it takes for a light bulb to burn out. The time it takes a light bulb to burn out, we don't really know. We'd have to put a stopwatch on and let it just run until the light bulb burns out. Now when that light bulb burns out, it'll have a minute, possibly an hour, possibly a day, possibly a year, possibly seconds. So there's so many different components to it that it's not really a countable idea. It is a very continuous idea. Continuous. The weight of a T-bone steak. So if you go to a butcher shop or Walmart, Costco, and you buy a steak, all the different steaks that they cut have different weights, right? There's no two steaks that weigh exactly the same. So again, this idea here, it could be 2 pounds. Wow, that's a giant steak. It could be 1.5 pounds. It could be 1 pound and 1 ounce. It could be 1 pound and 2 ounces. It could be 15 ounces. It could be 15.5 ounces. All these different things make this idea weight continuous. The number of free throws attempted before the first shot is made. Now, thinking about shooting a basketball, I don't know if y'all guys know this. When you shoot a basketball, you have to push it up and it goes towards the goal. Whether or not it touches the goal, goes in, doesn't really matter. That means you attempted a shot. So there's only one way to attempt a shot. So you shoot it, right? Whether it goes in, doesn't really matter. So attempts, the number of free throw attempts, that's a countable idea. You can shoot once, you can shoot twice, you can shoot 3 times. There's no way that you can shoot 1.5 times. You either shot it or you did not shoot it. It is countable. So this idea is discrete. Last one. In a random sample of 20 people, the number with type A blood. Thinking about blood types, you either have A, AB, A negative, A positive, B negative, O negative, and O positive, I think. Anyway, when you're counting people, right, 20 people, the number with type A blood will be a person. So it's going to be 1 person with type A blood, 2 people with type A blood, 3 people with type A blood. There's no 1.5 person with type A blood. Doesn't count. Everybody's a human being. So, discrete as well. For continuous, most of the times, it's some sort of measurement. Anytime it's a measurement, a length, a distance, a weight, time, those ideas will always be continuous. So that's another thing to think about. Measurements usually are continuous ideas.